Hello esteemed viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Tutor Dozie and this is Dozie Tutorial. Now, many students find it difficult to tackle questions in physics that has to do with deriving of formula, but it is very simple. If you know the formula that connects one quantities and the another, you won't find it difficult for you to do what? To solve questions. And today in this video, we are going to tackle this little problem. It's very easy, but students find it difficult to solve it because of derivation. Okay, let's quickly dive into this particular problem that we have on the board and find its solution. When a box of mass 45 kg is given an initial speed of 5 meters per second, it slides along a horizontal floor a distance of 3 meters before coming to rest. What is the coefficient of the kinetic friction between the box and the floor? A, we have 5/6, B, we have 5/12, C, we have 1/3, and D, we have 2/3. Let's solve. Alright, let's do it together. Now first, you have to bring out your parameters, right? Very good, that's the first thing you have to do. Write down the parameters so that it will help you. It is going to be a guide for you to remember the particular formula to use. Alright, now we have our mass M to be what? 45 kg. Now we have our initial speed U to be 5 meters per second. Another quantity, we have distance to be what? 3 meters. Now, before coming to rest, whenever you hear before coming to rest, it means what? Deceleration or retardation. Now here, the final velocity V becomes 0. So you have 0 meters per second. What is the coefficient of the kinetic friction between the box and the floor? We are looking for the coefficient of the friction. Alright, now coefficient of friction equals to frictional force all over normal reaction. Recall that frictional force equals to mass times acceleration and normal reaction is equal to what? Mass times gravity. Now substituting this into this formula now, we have coefficient of friction equals ma over mg. Mass is here and mass is also here, so mass cancels mass. We have A over G. Look, from your parameter, there is no acceleration, there is no A there, right? Yes, but from the equation, you have to get your what? Gravity. Now, taking gravity, assigning to the gravity to be what? 10 meters per second squared. Approximately 10 meters per second squared. Alright, because it's a constant value, 9.8 meters per second squared or 10 meters per second squared, depending on the one that you're asked to go with. But in cases like this, and they don't give you the acceleration to gravity, make use of 10 meters per second squared. Alright, now there is no acceleration here, so you're going to derive acceleration. How do you get acceleration now? The formula connecting acceleration and the velocity together with what? Distance is from where? Okay, I'll tell you. It's from the third equation of motion, which is what? V squared equals to U squared plus minus 2AS. Now, we are going to be making use of minus. Why? Because we are talking about retardation or deceleration. Therefore, we are going to make use of what? Minus. Now, let's substitute and make a subject. Now, we have 0 equals to U squared minus 2AS. Collecting like terms, we have 2AS equal to U squared over 2S over 2S. This cancels this. Now we have gotten our A. Our A equals U squared over 2S. Now let's quickly substitute into this formula to get what? The formula for this particular problem that we have here. So we have coefficient of friction equals to U squared over 2GS. We are there. So let's substitute. Substituting the quantities here, we have our u to be what? 5. So we have 5 square over, we have 2 times, our gravity is 10 times, our distance is what? 3. This is equal to 25 over, we have 2 times 10 is 20 times 3, 60. Now let's reduce it to its lowest term because the answers are in fraction. Now what can divide them at the same time? We have 5, right? 5 divided 25 is 5. Over 5 divided 60 is what? Is 12. Therefore, this is our coefficient of kinetic friction. Alright, now let's go back to our options and choose our answer. Is there looking at us? Our correct answer is what? B. Now, if you have more questions under friction or any other topic, please let's see in the comment section. Alright, now if you gain value in this video, please engage with us in our subsequent videos. Thank you.